Hi guys, it's Puven here. Today we're going to have a look at the Star Trek USS Enterprise model kit from AMT. This is model number 6676, scale 1 to 650. It's the one that was released in 1989. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so opening it up. Okay. So the ship itself. There's the decals. Here's the Star Trek manual. How to piece everything together. And the subscription card. These are the components that would form the United Spaceship Enterprise, USS Enterprise, Naval Construction Contract 1701. The components are the primary hull top, primary hull bottom, the secondary hull, the top bits and the bottom bit, the main propulsion unit, which are these four components. Then there's the stand that the entire ship will sit on. Then there's the other smaller components as well, like the sensory domes for the space sensors and the planetary sensors, and the navigational deflector is this component, and these ones are the propulsion end caps. So it's going to be a lot of fun putting this together. I'll keep you guys informed when I get a chance. So that's all from me for now. Cheers.